Good afternoon and welcome to Blindbuilds Building Braille with Blind Prime. Today we're going to be covering the Braille number 5. Here it is in all of its glory. The Braille number 5 is just the Braille letter E changed a bit. Where the E has a dot in the 1 and the 5 positions, the Braille number 5 with Nemeth Code Math has a dot in the 2 and the 6 positions. There we go. 2, 6, 1, 5. So today, we're going to teach you how to assemble your Nemeth Code Braille number 5 out of 5 simple pieces. Yeah, see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 if you count the base, but who counts the base? I mean, Lego counts the base. That's actually one of the pieces in the box, so I guess I should count the base. Yeah, so we're making the 5 out of 6 pieces. It's going to be a pretty simple little video, and I thank all of you for watching and staying with me throughout all of our little videos we have been doing on Braille. It's very nice that so many people are interested in how to build their own Braille, and like I've said countless times, if you happen to be one of those people that likes to pass notes in classes, passing notes in classes through Braille is a lot more fun because it isn't like your teacher's going to read it and you and your friends are going to be the only ones in the room qualified to read that note. So you can say whatever you want on that note. Oh, Elizabeth, read the note to me. What are you passing around in class? Read it out loud for the rest of the class. And you look at your note that probably said something like Johnny smells like a butt face today, and you just repeat it with Angel's dress was very pretty. That's what the note says. Your teacher won't know the difference, and you can laugh at with your friends about it later. So let's start. And of course, there's also the military applications of Braille. Being able to pass notes and orders around without using any source of illumination is a very good thing as well. There's a lot of practical things that you can use for Braille, and I want more people than just the blind to use it because I believe that it can be used in a lot of different ways around the world. It's just that nobody does. So, share with me as we learn the 5 today. So for the 5, you want to put down a 1x2 tile in the 1 and the 4 positions. Okay? And then you're going to find a 1x1 tile and you're going to put that in the 5 position. All right? Then you're going to find there's another no, wait, that's the 1x2 tile. Here's another 1x1 tile, and we're going to put that in the 3 position. But we're not going to put that in the 3 position because it can wiggle. Look at it. It's already turned. We're just going to remove that. And remember, that's the problem with 1x1s. They like to turn in their sockets, so it's important to give them something to base upon. So we're going to put a 1x1 stud in the 2 position. Now we can come over here with this 1x1 tile and we can put that in the 3 position and it's straight. No bending, no rotation. And then finally we can put a 1x1 stud in the 6 position. There we go. And that's how you make a number 5. Now build it one more time. Slap it down on the desk in front of us as if you're building it at home, and let's get started. So you need a 3x2 panel, 1x2 tile, 2 1x1 studs, and 2 1x1 tiles. Of course, you can have this with 4 1x1 tiles if you wished, but I like to keep the piece count low, so I use 1x2 tiles and 1x2 studs when I can. So let's go ahead and put our 1x2 tile at the top in the 1 and the 4, because the 1 is at the top left, the 4 is at the top right, the 3 is at the bottom left, and the 6 is at the bottom right. Now, then we have that in place. Let's get our first stud out here, and we're going to put our stud in the 2 position, which is center left. Then we're going to take our tile, and we're going to put our tile in the 5 position, which is center right. Then we're going to put our other tile in the 3 position, which is left bottom. And we're going to put our last stud in the 6th position, which is right bottom. And that's how you make a 5. And with 2 5s together, we can say 5x5 in the line, 5x5. Have a good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you again for watching. And remember, Braille is for everyone, not just the blind. So go and play with it. Have some fun with Braille. Read the restroom signs. You've got my entire alphabet now. So study it and read the restroom signs and help the blind out. because not every restroom sign out there actually states the name of the men's room or women's room. And sometimes they get lazy, so both can be labeled as men's room or both can be labeled as women's room, and it's up to us, the blind, to just make a choice. And not always good, especially since there are laws being passed about bathrooms and who can and cannot enter a restroom. And if you don't want to get in trouble, read the sign and then report it if the sign is wrong. And that way, more blind people in the future don't have to get in trouble with stupid laws that don't make any sense to us, the blind. It isn't like we're going to be peeping on anybody. Ah, the blind, the one group that you can assure will never peep. Have a good day, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you've enjoyed today's episode. Please tune in next Prime. We will be talking about the number 6 next week, and of course, we are going to cover Cosmos next week. I wanted to cover him today, but I got hit with a bad headache as soon as actually on Saturday of the convention, the headache started. On Sunday, it continued. And Monday, it was still there. And Tuesday, it started to sleuth off. By Wednesday, it was gone. So it took me a few days to get over that migraine. And but now I'm feeling fresh and ready and wonderful. And next week, we're going to be handling Cosmos because Cosmos may be one of my favorite mini bots out there. I just wish I got him last year. But hey, better late than never, Ellie. Thanks for watching again. Please tune in next Prime. Bye bye for now.